Hey guys, quick video for you on how you can factory reset your Sony FX30. So it's super simple. All you have to do is that you want to go to the menu, and when you're going to be in menu, there you're going to find the briefcase, and I'm going to show you where it is. It's right here, the briefcase. And then what you want to do is that you just want to press the reset save settings, and there you're going to find a settings reset, and there you want to do is just like press initialize. And that's how it's done, like super simple. So hope this video helped you. I just want to make this like quick and effective video for you, how you can factory reset your camera. And have a great day and goodbye.